showing you guys on how to download Tunnelblick on Mac. So let's get started. So just go ahead and search up download Tunnelblick. Okay, then you're gonna click on the first link. From here you can download the stable version. Just click on that, and then it's gonna download a DMG file. As you can see, just click on save, and then it's gonna be downloaded in a second or so. Then you can just click on that and double click and open it up. Then you can just double click on the Tunnelblick app, this thing, so just double click on it. Then you're gonna click on open, give it all the permissions, just click on continue and all that stuff. Obviously it needs permission, so just give all the permissions. Now you're just gonna wait for it. It's gonna open. There you go. Now it's gonna download all the basic stuff needed to open it. Okay, welcome. There are no VPN configurations installed. Okay, now if you have configuration files, you can just click on I have configuration files and then choose them. And then if you don't have, just click on I do not have. And then obviously you can just create a sample configuration and edit it. Okay, so that's how easy it is to download Tunnelblick, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.